Hi everybody, this is Joe at Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm out in our woods, going around and cutting up piles of limb wood that I've had staged out here for several months, and this is going to go into our wood stove as we're running low, and that's what I usually like to burn. I usually don't sell a lot of limb wood unless it's dry and barkless, but as you know, today is Sunday, and guess what that means? Ashton Sunday. So I got her out here helping me. She's going to be running the gas powered chainsaw here. Now before she gets started, I want to address a few issues from last video. I got a lot of flack from people crying about safety. Well, look at that. She's got hearing protection, she's got glasses, she's got gloves, she doesn't have chaps. Now if you guys think she needs chaps to cut wood for 10 minutes a day, you're more than welcome to buy a pair and send it here, and I'll give them to her. But I'm not spending $100 on chaps when she's mainly going to be doing splitting and helping me with deliveries. So I just wanted to straighten that out. So Ashton, did you feel in danger at all any time last week?
No.
Are you a city girl that it just doesn't know what to do and trips over your own feet?
Sometimes,
no.
But not a lot.
You're a country girl, right? Okay. Well, I got that straight. So don't worry about Ashton. She's just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up here, and we're gonna get to work. That's what we do at Joe's Premium Firewood. We get shit done. Go ahead. Go ahead and fire it up, Ashton. See, the brake was on. Now she takes the brake off. Oh. There you go. Still getting the hang of it, guys. Give her a break. Here we go. See, I got my hearing protection on too. Go for it. How'd she do? She had better throttle control than last time, going balls out. I think she did. Look at that. Now all we got to do is pick it up. I think we can get it all in there. It's about a face cord of wood. And we'll take it right up to the house up there, stack it, and burn it. We got a fire going today. It's about 38 degrees, and you can tell Ashton's a little cold, but she'll get warmed up when she starts splitting. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Sunday video, and we'll see you next Sunday. Bye, Ashton.
Bye.
Oh, and you need to order Ashton's hoodie, you cheap people. Just kidding. See ya.